Welcome in, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for stopping back into Sugar Fingers. For my subscribed beautiful babes, thank you again for always coming back. And for the newbies, welcome in. We will be talking about how to get the perfect manicure at home. My nails, I just recently took off a set of Kiss Impress nails, and they were press-on nails, and today I'm going to go ahead and clean these nails up. First, of course, if you have nail polish, go ahead and take that off, clean them up well. And the one thing that I love to do is, secondly, go ahead and prepare these cuticles. I'm using a cuticle liquid here. I will put the name of it down in the description box for you, but this is so great for softening up the cuticles. When you clean up your nails, you know, you're going to be doing an extensive amount of work and making sure that you have everything taken off of them. Step one is cleaning them up, and step two for me is actually pushing back my cuticles. Now, cuticles is really what makes the nails look fresh and cleaned off, making sure you get all of that dead skin away from around there. You don't have to use an e-file. You can just simply use like this inexpensive cuticle pusher that I have right here. Makes it so easy. Using that cuticle softener makes this process very simplified. You don't have to go in hard because it's going to just lift quite simply like so. Both hands done in no time at all. As you can see, this process doesn't take long at all, but it's definitely necessary if you want a very good ending to your manicure. This is an ultimate step, cleaning them up. The next step is to clip, file, and buff your nails. Now, everybody's steps may be different. This is just the way I do my particular steps. So in the process, I'm not clipping my nails down, of course. I will file them and make sure they're shapely, buff off any excess glue that remained after I removed my false nails. And then the fourth step, exfoliate your hands. Now what I'm using is simply milk. You can add to this milk for a deeper exfoliation, oatmeal or sea salt to really scrub if you have dead skin, calluses, go under your nails as far as cleaning them, and wow, this is what you have. Beautiful, soft hands. And then the fifth step for me is to moisturize my hands and my cuticles. I love using a cuticle oil, or it's as simple as using this wonderful black raspberry oil. Get into those cuticles, massage it into your hands, and then I also would apply a lotion. And now you're ready to apply whatever nail polish you need to put on or any nail enhancement. That is it, beautiful babes. I love it. And y'all make sure you keep your hands looking gorgeous. Please, if you like this video today, like, comment, subscribe. And again, keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.